Welcome back for another progress report of our tiny house. I'm going to show you around. This is the back room. As you can see, there's still mangoes on the floor and lots of holes where we've dug up the trees that were growing inside of the house. And this is the other room that's at the front. And I'm going to show you around so you can see what we've done so far. So this is the hallway. It's been prepared with the sand ready to receive the concrete. It's nice and clear and level. And this is that same room that you saw the mangoes and the holes in the floor and bits of greenery growing from there. So I'm going to give you a little recap of how it looks now. I'm going to let you have a little look around. So I'll give you a recap. So that's the room at the front before. That's how it looks now. That's the hallway before. And that's how it looks now. And this is the back room with the mangoes and everything in. And this is how it looks now.